What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treats. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm finna show you how I do my edges. It's really simple to do your edges, but somebody asked me to do a tutorial on how to do my edges, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do my edges. Now, number one, you take any edge control. This is the one that I have at the moment in time. So this is the Slick and Slay Edge Control by Janet Collection. Slick and Slay. And just to let you know, yes, I've been using it. Okay, so you're gonna take this first. Yeah, crusty. You could apply water, but I don't. So you literally just gonna take them and try to mold it however you want it. I really don't do too much when it comes to my edges no more, because it's just, I want you to see that I got a little something, you know. I think I say that in all my videos, but no, for real, like, I don't do too much when it comes to my edges. It depends on the hairstyle I have. There's nothing I won't do. Something I wish you. I'll give it all. Promise I'll never let you play. Now you can leave it like this. I'm gonna add some Got To Be. I just had that shit. Where'd it go? Okay, I'm gonna add some Got To Be. This one, you can use the big bottle as well. It really don't matter. But I'm gonna take this a little bit. You don't need a lot. And I'm gonna just lay it over what I just did. And I have some on my finger, and so I'm gonna brush it in. Boom. Oh, I just wanted to put a little bit on my sideburn. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna take my little finger, and I'm gonna get a little bit. Boom. And I only do this if I got somewhere to go tomorrow. I mean, if I have somewhere to go. I got something to do tomorrow, and I don't really want to be bothered with my edges, so I'm gonna do this tonight, so I ain't got to worry about it. I can just take my scarf off, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I do this style, how I like prepare for bed with this style too. And so what I'm gonna do now is, because right here, this is where I cut my hair, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Got To Be on that so it don't come up. I just want that to stay nice and gelled down. I had a hairpin right there, as you could see. But I don't really think I need the hairpin. Let me just put some Got2b on there. Okay, I'm not gonna bother it too much because yeah, that's when you bother shit too much, that's how I get fucked up. Just add a little bit on this side just so it can, you know, stay laid down. And then I'm gonna show y'all like what I do to how I prepare for bed with this style. Hold on, I gotta go get, hold on. Ooh, okay, so the first thing you finna do is you finna take your handy dandy satin scarf. I need to wash it because that's concealer. But yeah, I'm not gonna wash it tonight. First of all, take your earrings out. Okay, so you take your scarf and you just lay your hair down. This is literally the easiest style I've ever done on myself. Probably. Okay, no. Make sure your scarf is even. And make sure you have enough, like, right here. And then you just gonna tie it. You just tie it like so. Not too tight. And then I'm gonna take my Sassy Cap. It's called a Sassy Cap. You can get it at Target online. And I go to sleep. And then when I go to shower, I put this like that. And boom. Now you can shower and you ain't gotta worry about your hair. My favorite thing ever. Or you could literally sleep like this. Like, you know, if the hanging bothers you, you just sleep like that. But yeah, my hair be nice and protected. And then when you wake up, your edges is gonna be laid. I recommend, if you want your edges to last all day and you don't use two things to lay your edges, put your edge control in the refrigerator. For a firmer hold, I find that my edge control does better when I store it in the refrigerator. So yeah, but I use Got2b when I know I'm finna be, if I want like extreme hold, like I don't want to have to worry about my edges for days, I use Got2b with whatever edge control I'm using at the time. So you can use this method. I know y'all have Got2b, and I know y'all have an edge control. Put them together, use the edge control first, then a layer of Got2b, lay it down, and your edges will last all day. Okay. I'm gonna just sit here and think about life because anyways, thank you guys. That was my 13th reason. Like, okay. I'm not mad at y'all. I'm discombobulated. You understand? Oh. Like, don't let it ever go right. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my God. Here I go crying at the smallest inconvenience. Anyways, okay. Cancer life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Trees as well. And I will see y'all in my next video.